I'm good, boss. How are you?
Hello, I got a call from a client who
Yes.
wanted his website done as soon as possible because he wanted to open his laundry business.
Okay,
So
okay.
he hoped that the website could be printed tomorrow.
Okay, boss. Uh, b- uh, Yesterday I have progress for making him website, and the progress is already finished. But maybe we have some revision because for the future maybe. And yeah, uh, now I wanna to ask my team to push that project. Yeah, maybe after that I will call you again. Okay.
Yeah, good job. Thank you, Nan.
Okay, okay, boss. See you.
See you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello Rashid, how are
Hello,
you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm thanks so. And in my laundry shop, I want to make a website for me. Urgently need a cashier website in my laundry shop in Jakarta. Find someone who is competent, okay?
Oh, please. Wait a moment. It's in progress. Uh, I'll let you know when we're done.
Okay, I think that's all. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay, sir. This things I will introduce and explain our website and
Okay,
right now
okay.
go uh cause we business is laundry. I have done to make a website about laundry, and this is my website. First, I will run first. Right, guys. Okay, I will share screen with you, sir. And this is my our website. And first, why I make this website, because this is make easier for us for collection data financial, and then collection data order, and then collection data customer or transaction, and then this is the landing page for our website. The first you can log in, and then in website have role admin and cashier. Admin is for boss, and then cashier for college or employee. So this is the first uh, view for dashboard, and this is there is widget and tracking data financial for last week. You can sum the income for last week 7 days later, and this is the income for last week 100 and 100 this data, the data is the 13. And then data master, there is data for customer. If you have a new customer, you can add in here first, and maybe I give you example. The first is Afnan maybe, and then the email is afnan@gmail.com, and then the number will, and then the alamat is Masjid Nurul Huda. And if you submit, so the data the data is successfully for this table, and then you can make a transaction. If you add, the Afnan will be appear in here. If you not add in here, the data cannot be picked in here. And I will show you the feature for our project. Maybe there are 14 features. There is user authenticate suite, and then interactive analytic dashboard, and then smart growth management, and then universal search engine, auto generate counters and order status workflow, user activation console, instant receipt generator, and then user transaction widget, user data research center, and then smart pagination system, and then role management system, and then customer sales manager, and auto registered customer picker. And this is a feature for this. If you make or add new transaction, the data Afnan will be appear in here because you have done to add the data in customer. And then there is you can search the customer what you want, maybe Afnan, and then service. This is the service you can make the service in here. Maybe the service is express, and then the price is 20,000 per kilo, and then deskripsi 1 jam angkut. And then you can change the service in here. You can edit express plus, and then the data will be successful. And then the transaction, there is widgets and table for the transaction, and here you can add the new transaction. Okay, I will add for the customer is Afnan, and then name service is Express Plus, and then they can take a 3 kilo, and this is the auto counters features or for our website, and you can count. This is auto counters, and then you can submit, and then the status will be pending, and you can print the stroke or the receipt for your transaction. Okay, and this is the view for the receipt Afnan, and then the number of telephone, and then quantity, and then price, and then total amount. And this is the report. And then the last is and then there is widgets for all transaction in the last week. This is the all transaction, and then this is total for pending, process, selesai, and complete. And then user management. User management is for the management for user, and there is widget. There are widget and table. You can see in here how much the user already on in this website, and the total user is 7, and then user active is 2, and then inactive is 5. And in here you can change the name and email in here, and then you can change the status. If the status inactive, the user cannot log in our website. And this feature can be accessed with Pro Admin or Forbos. And then if we change the status will be changed to inactive. And then if you change again, the status will be active again. And I will show you view for employee. Nan, can you see Nan?
Yes.
Okay, I will begin with employee or cashier. The feature for service is for boss, just for boss, and then the user management same like service, just for boss. And if you click the service, okay, this will be appear an error. Anda tidak punya akses, because the access for boss, just boss aja. And then user management too. The access user management is access for boss, and you can see the role in here. The role is cashier, and then in here the role is admin. Admin is master admin. And this is our website. Maybe that's all from me.
Okay. First, I wanna ask you about what language do you use for this code?
The language I use with Laravel 12 with Livewire, and then the CSS with framework Tailwind, and the template is from Freeland.
Okay. And now I wanna ask you about for the user. I see before for the user is have like 7 total user is active, and I wanna ask you about like user uh, don't have access to use this website, because this website uh, just for the cashier and the boss. Because of that, why you add for the user total user is active.
Total user is active.
And after that, I wanna ask you about for the feature in the left navigation. There is for cashier, they don't have access to use user management and what in the data master and service. Cashier cannot access that feature, and just only boss can access. Maybe you can delete from the view of the cashier for that feature, because it's not important, because the cashier cannot access, and you can show in the only for the boss. Okay, maybe just that from me, maybe. And I hope you can do what I say before. You can uh, make a revision for this website, and yeah, maybe for the deadline, because the boss is asked to me for the deadline is tomorrow. Because of that, I hope you can do your best for this website. And yeah, thank you for your opportunity to make this website. And yeah, thank you very much.